Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Rain Sleep, also known as Song Yunmian, chapter 20. So here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, the captain of the soccer is talking to Changle. You, aren't you? Well, for the captain, Changle is having a girlfriend. Right now, she seems that it was wrong because Song Yung-man and Changle are not being together, but a kind of mutual understanding. President said, "Oops, it's okay. Don't. All of our college knows who you are. It has been discussed on the site." Oh, it turns out some of the friends gossiping about her. Well, it's not good. Changle, how did you all how did you see it? Well, it turns out everyone knows about it, especially it's been linked to Song Yumen. It was very simple. When you get up and perform during military training, if it's a man, either you bow your head, play mobile phones, and you look up, he must be staring at the beauty. Changle, right now, she seems to be shy, said to her, "Remember that. I have something to do. I will go first, bye." Now the captain said, "Hey, let's have a dinner together." Now she's been invited. Although our team has never won, it also struggled together. Now that the game is over, let's have a meal together. Let's treat everyone. Oh, it seems that it was a good idea. Turns out the captain of the team, she was really a kind girl. Changle right now seems to be shy. Said I probably she want to decline. Right now, can't be right. Since she found a new friend, Changxi, and Song Yuman was not there. Well, this is not bad to her. Making new friends. Also, this night they went to the hotel. Everyone is socializing. Well, including Changle. But the other team is not arriving yet. Well, let's see then. What will Changle is gonna do? There's so many in our school. Well, it seems that she was really a lonely girl right now. She don't have any friends except for Changxi. But Changxi is studying abroad together with Song Yumian. Changle, you are here. We just mentioned you just now. Speaking of me, what about? Changle said to the president. Right now, haven't you made up a micro movie before? Teacher also showed it to us. We all thought it's very good. Then we have a professional homework. And we will also make a drama for a while. And we are still lack of members. Professional class, you can, if you have time. What is missing in your group? Field recording or recording? Changle, she seems to be interested on helping them. But the president, that's it. You must have time to shoot every weekend. I call you then. Now, this is not good. It's been tricked by the president. Well, we are lack of an actor. I think your appearance and temperament are very suitable on the play. Well, she was right. This has to be. Right now, Changle, she was really in trouble. Acting, actor. Well, did she really good at it? Why suddenly? It looks like she was really in shock. Probably she don't want to play, but she cannot decline. What I am acting. Want to make an experimental video discussing the female group. Changle, looking at her, seems that her soul is already taken away by the captain. By the way, you said already someone you like. Don't have it. Changle, you don't want to tell her. Is that very flavorful? Girl, in your film, Changle really hits her. Help me, help me. It's too late for the faint. Too late for me to refuse. Now, it's really troublesome for her. Back to the dorm. Changle, she seems to be exhausted. All the things happened today, and it was really fast. She can decline them. Right now, when she moved inside the station, she's a little bit heartbroken, and looking at her, she looks really exhausted. Well, her energy is been dry up, and right now, she looks really puzzled. Well, all of the dorm mates was there. But right now, Changle, she really can't figure it out. When she entered on the room, why are you looking at me like that? Changle is asking her dormitory friends. What is the problem? Why is everyone is looking at her? Turns out, why don't we say what you've been through? Well, did the news really goes up? But looking at Changle, looks really exhausted. Ah, I don't have it. You start school, you also born like this every day. Come on, your face is full of me. So miserable. Come and comfort me. Everyone is talking about Changle right now. She really can't speak. Probably don't want to talk to them about her fuss. She became muted right now. But suddenly, that if I say if one day I suddenly tell you that I have someone I like, what kind of person think I will be with? Well, did she really afraid someone might tease her? But it's really nonsense. Female, a beauty. One of the friends said it was Song Yumian. Well, they really make it. Song Yuman is really beautiful. Right now, Changle starting to hide her feelings. Also, you, why are you so sure? Changle, right now, you can't really help it. But to accept the fact you like men, you like ugly. Now, everyone was talking about nonsense. Song Yuman, you can really believe her friends is getting truth. Changle, you are so good to guess. Well, her friends is right. She was like happy-go-lucky, and she don't usually notice something. Especially right now, it was early June. Alright, our crew Xiaoyu is especially completed in early stage. Welcome Changle to join the crew. Everyone is greeted her. Right now, Changle, then let me introduce you to the heroine who plays with you. She is the popular student in our college. Well, let's see it then. She is really beauty. But suddenly, you see the girl. Suddenly, she became muted. Well, this girl seems to be sophisticated and it's really different for her right now. So, they will be better. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!